Hey guys, if your skin feels like it's been moisturized, but somehow it still feels like it looks dry and tired, which I often do, this is one of those little skincare steps that can really help. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. This is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and it has 1% hyaluronic acid. It comes in this container with a dropper. The hyaluronic acid is really all about giving your skin like a lightweight hydration without making it feel greasy or heavy. I think this is great for anyone with dehydrated skin, dry patches, dull looking skin, or just anyone who wants their skin to feel a little more plump and smooth. I know I read on the packaging that it says 8 out of 10 people felt that their skin was deeply hydrated afterwards, and 94% said their skin looked well hydrated. I like those little tips. I will add again, one of the things I really like about Good Molecules is right on the packaging, they list the steps to put products on and they tell you whether or not to use them morning, evening, or both. I don't know about you, but that's something I struggle and need help with. What you want to do is after you have cleaned your skin, washed your face, you can apply a few drops of this and gently press it into the skin and then follow up with your moisturizer. So this again is what it looks like. I will show you up really close so you can see it drop out. It is definitely a serum. I'm going to put, 3 drops for good measure. So let me show you what it looks like going on. So in the morning, I use it before I add both moisturizer and sunscreen. And in the evenings, I've been using it before I add a heavier cream. I think once I learned, somebody told me that the thickness, like you start with the thinnest products and work up towards the thickest. So that's kind of the scenario I follow. So I want to show it going on. I love that this is non-greasy. Oh, it layers really nicely under makeup, and it can really help your foundation just sit better. I can already tell my skin feels more hydrated when I put this on. This works especially well if your skin tends to get dry or flaky during the day. I really think you'll be able to tell a difference. It is simple to use. It's nice to have as an add-on to your skin routine. Again, I still use moisturizer. I just use the serum in addition to that. I really think it helps with the hydration of my skin, and it goes on without looking greasy or feeling heavy, which is always a plus for me. So again, this is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Good Molecules.